dance against you. Okay, here we go. Ladies, take the spots, the shake it up spots on the count of 3. That's it. Watch out, ladies, watch out. On the count of 3, let's see you shake it up. You want to work with this song? Change it, okay. On the count of 3, let's see you shake it up. 1, 2, 3, shake it up.
Push up to you, ready to do you. Then play it off like I thought I knew you. What's up, boy? What's your name? What's your sign? What's this on your neck? Go and get this straight. Peekaboo, you can take a peek. Saw you walking down the street. You look so fine, just had to meet you for a drink at the cafe. Little so stretched out, boy, it's happy. Why don't go ride, boy? I won't bite unless you ask me real polite. When I saw him walking down the street. I just had to meet. I asked his name. Does he wanna play? As we go, all that I could say was.
And let's have a big round of applause for these 2 contestants.